Today, I'm in Monkton Heathfield to show you this fantastic 2 double bedroom top floor apartment, situated in a fantastic location close to all local amenities and communal parking. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord and you have a similar property and you're looking for a rental valuation, please do get in touch.